Hi, this is Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ, and in this short tutorial video, we'll take a look at how you can easily enable PDT, payment data transfer, in your PayPal account. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, to locate the PDT settings, you'll need to click on the Settings toggle, then on the Selling Tools menu, and then you'll see a section titled Selling Online and Website Preferences. You'll need to click the Update button for website preferences. This will take you to the page where you'll need to enable auto return and PDT. Enabling auto return is as simple as marking the on check circle and pasting in your return URL. So your return URL is where you'd like to send your customers after a successful purchase. So something such as your thank you page. Now that we've turned the auto return feature on, we've pasted in our return URL, we can scroll down and ensure PDT has been enabled. So just scroll down slightly and you'll see the payment data transfer section. So it's right here, it says payment data transfer, and just make sure that the on check circle has been marked. Once you've marked that, you've put your auto return settings on and your return URL is in place, your PDT settings have been enabled. Just below the payment data transfer section is where you can find your identity token. I'll show you that in the next section. I've scrolled down slightly now to show you where you can find your identity token that is needed for some e-commerce plugins. So if they're asking for your PDT identity token, you'd need to copy this token right here and paste it into the required field. If you're using a number of e-commerce plugins that require your PDT identity token, it's a good idea to copy and paste this into a notepad so that you can access it at a later time. Just make sure you only share your PDT identity token with approved admin. So that concludes my tutorial on how to enable the PDT feature in PayPal. If you have any further questions about enabling PDT for any of the Tips and Tricks HQ plugins, please head over to our website.